హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇంతవరకు మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే రెడ్ కలర్లో కనిపిస్తున్న సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. నా లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ అప్డేట్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్కి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు ఈ లెర్నింగ్ హబ్ ఎగ్జామ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ప్లీజ్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ కీ షీట్. లుక్ ద బాయ్ డాష్ అక్రాస్ ద రోడ్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్. డూ యూ నో ద డిఫరెన్స్ డాష్ ఏ లెపర్డ్ అండ్ ఏ చీతా? ఆన్సర్ బిట్వీన్. In including a letter to a friend whom you address as Dear Sri or Mr., the subscription should be dash. Answer sincerely yours. My teacher said that she was not satisfied dash my progress. Answer with. Which of the following sentences express a strong compulsion? Answer. You should see a doctor. Fill the blanks with articles. He is neither dash MLA, nor dash MP. Answer. A. Choose the correct sentence. Answer. Why are you standing there? The city bus conductor gave you your last purse. What would you say to him? Answer. Thank you very much. A old man dies of natural dash. Answer. Causes. The adjective form of the verb protect is. Answer. Protective. She was involved in a very bad accident. It is a dash. She was not killed. Choose the right word. Answer. Miracle. Your brother is not feeling well. He goes out in the rain without an umbrella. What would you say? Answer. How careless. It is waste of time. Answer. Trying to argue with him. He dash get up every day at 5 o'clock. Answer. Gets. He did not have enough money. He did not build a house. The best complex form of the two sentences is. Answer. He did not build a house because he did not have enough money. Find the word spelled correctly. Signaling. SIGNALLING. You ought to know dash. Answer. What to say and how to say it well. It will be done by her. The active voice of the sentence is. Answer. She will do it. A letter which should be precise, tense and to the point is. Answer. Letter to a businessman. The synonym of the word clatter is. Answer. Loud noise. Which of the following is a complex sentence? Answer. I know that he is good. The item Dear Sir in a letter is referred as. Answer. Salutation. What does the following sentence mean? How about going for a movie tonight? Answer. Making a suggestion. You will come to school, won't you? The sentence is meant for. Answer, seeking agreement. I and my sister work in the same place. We are. Answer, colleagues. The thief dashed before the police arrived. Answer, had escaped. You should dash your shoes. The suitable word that fits in the blank is. Answer, mend. Choose the word spelt wrongly. Answer, center. Center. The synonym of the word rage is. Answer, wild anger. My uncle has invested a lot of money. Dash aquaculture. Answer, on. Select the word that does not rhyme with the rest of the three words given below. Answer, suit. Suite. Suit. Let's go to a movie. Answer, shall we? The match was very exciting. Dash. The best question tag for the sentence is. Answer, wasn't it? My uncle goes for dash walk daily. Answer, A. Choose the word spelt wrongly. Answer, adolescent. Choose the word that is pronounced in the same way as in ginger. Answer, angel. An old friend of yours pays you an unexpected visit. What would you say? Answer, what a pleasant surprise. The courteous leave taking phrase in a letter is called the. Answer, subscription. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer, changeable. The sentence which communicates a request is. Answer, will you call me before you leave? The boy was knocked dash by a car. Answer, down. Choose the correct sentence. I wrote him yesterday. Andhra Pradesh government has introduced Arogyasri scheme. Answer, none. Colloquial language is used in. Answer, personal letters. Man is mortal, but the nature is dash. Answer, immortal. The sentence which express conclusion is dash. Answer, she can be a dancer. There was a ugly scare on the face of a prisoner. Replace the underlined articles making necessary corrections from the choices. Answer, yan, da. The wine shop was closed down on Monday. The meaning of the phrasal verb here is. Answer, shut completely. I dash sleep when the rain dash start. Answer, was sleeping started. Familiar, simple and pedantic style of language should be used in dash. Answer, friendly letters. Thank you one and all.